Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix constant notification sounds on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. So very first thing, if you're getting constant notification sounds, you're going to start by going into your setting. And from settings here, we're going to go down and look for notifications right here. And in notification, we're going to go to advanced settings. And advanced settings here, you're going to look to see if you have repeated notification alert. If this setting is on, we need to tap on it and essentially turn this off. This way, if you're getting notification, it's because it's being reminding you. We're going to notify you each time when you get a notification if you don't open or look at that notification. So that's going to be another thing to look at. Now, another thing you might look at if you have a basically older version of a Samsung phone, you need to look for what's known as notification reminders. You can search for it over here, search for notification reminders. So notification reminder basically. And see if you have a setting there. You may or may not have a setting there if you're on it, but if you don't, you may also find this setting from the accessibility menu. So from your settings, you're going to go to accessibility and then hearing enhancements, and you might see an option under here for notification reminders. If you do, you want to turn that off as well. Additionally, another thing you might want to consider doing to fix this is in your settings, you're just going to go to notifications, and in the notification for app settings, if you have an app that's giving you constant notification, you want to turn that app off. For example, if I had this game, maybe I had the notification on, you want to turn that off. Additionally, for any of the apps, for example, if you tap on an app, you can also go ahead and turn off sounds and vibration and still get notifications. So it may be another option for you. So if you find an app that's constantly giving you sound notification that you don't want, you can just turn off that and get the lock screen and app icon and disable or turn that off. And after you have done that, you may need to do a quick restart for the setting to apply. So from the top, just click on restart, or using the volume down and side button as well, you can do a restart that way as well. So just like this. And after you do that, it should be fixed. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.